Hey, this is Brian from West Bend Dyno. Today we're going to be going over our new stage packages for the TurboMax engine, specifically available in the 2019 to 2024 Silverado and Sierras, also the 23 and 24 Colorado and Canyon with the 2.7 TurboMax. The 23 and up is a TurboMax HO, which this particular vehicle is a 2024, so it makes a little more torque than the earlier models. We're going to be baselining this vehicle. It's bone stock. We're going to be putting on an aFe catback exhaust, an aFe cold air intake, and the aFe Scorcher module to add more boost to this vehicle. So let's get some baselines done, get some numbers together, and get before and after results.